Hi, today I want to do the notes for converting a picture into a fraction. So we are going to convert, which means change, these pictures into fractions. And this is kind of a review from when you were in third and fourth grade, but it'll go a little bit further into like a sixth grade model in just a little bit, you'll see. So the first picture we're going to look at is right here. It looks like a window. It is divided into 4 parts. So my denominator is 4. There is one part shaded in, and so I would have 1/4. Now, if I can, I would simplify this fraction, but I cannot divide anything into both of those numbers at the same time. So this one is already simplified. This picture as a fraction would be 1/4. Okay, let's get some, yeah, there we go, focus. Our next one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this would be 7, 8, 9 pieces. Even though they're shaded in, 9 total pieces. Shaded in, I have 1, 2, 3 out of the 9 that are shaded in. 3/9 would be my fraction, but I can simplify this. Both the number 3 and 9 are divisible by 3. So I'm going to divide them both by 3, and I'm going to get 1/3. So my answer is 1/3. Next picture we have is a circle instead of a square. The circle has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. So 8 is my denominator. 2 of those 8 are shaded in. Now I simplify. Both of these are divisible by 2. My answer would be 1/4. And then on this one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A 4 by 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. All 16 are shaded in. 16 over 16 is the whole number 1. Some people say 1.0. It's still 1. Either of those is okay. So what happens when there's more than a whole number? And I get into this, something that looks like a mixed number. This picture is together. I have one whole, like we just did. This is 4/4, which equals 1. And 1/4 over here. So my answer would be this picture is 1 and 1/4. I cannot simplify it. So it stays 1 and 1/4. Okay. The next one below it, this is 6/6. This one is 6/6. And this one is 3/6. Well, these are one whole. So I have 1, 2, and the 3/6. So I actually have 2 and 3/6 all together. 2 and 3/6. But I can simplify this. Both 3 and 6 are divisible by 3. When I divide them by 3, I get 1/2. So my answer is 2 and a half. 2 and 1/2. You can kind of see that, can't you? There's just that half. So this fraction would be 2 and 1/2. Now after the video, there are some practices for you to do on your notes, and this is going to be worth 5 points, and it will go in the grade book tomorrow morning when I look at it. Thanks.